Hi, my name is Tasawwur Ali. I welcome you to the learning management system of Dawood Family Takaful Limited. As a frontline manager, you need to regularly upgrade the practical sales activities of your team, which even may consist of superstar salespeople or fresh interns. They both might show some kind of diffidence in facing the clients and making successful sales closings. 5-Second Rule is a book by Mel Robbins in which she tells an easy 5-second rule for changing fear into excitement. She tells that how, by first creating an anchor thought or keeping the end in mind, you can change your fear into excitement after the countdown from 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Similarly, your superstar sales team needs your guidance to let them know about their sales performance standards. Otherwise, each individual may deal with their own prospective clients unprofessionally, wasting the business opportunities. Please download the attached PDF Sales Mastery Toolkit, which will help you let your team repeat and reinforce the 6 steps of superstar sales process. In the first step, you let your team have skills on how to make friends and establish community bonding with the clients. Even if your team uses social media to access the prospective clients and to give them an elevator pitch about the benefits of your products and services, you actually need to train them how to successfully get an interview opportunity using any mean of communication. Make sure your team is expert on their services. They have the ability to educate the clients and accommodate the client's point of view in their discussion. This will allow them to strengthen a professional bond or rapport with the clients. As a result of this educational guidance, they will increase referrals, boost the closing ratio, and become trustworthy partners of their clients. In the second step, your team needs to be trained on qualifying the prospects or asking what is actually needed the most by the clients. Here, your superstar engage the clients by asking questions about their family aspirations and expectations. In this step, make your superstars ask the series of questions which will actually let the client understand the logic of buying from you. In other words, this educational guidance will make the clients sell your products to themselves, just with the subtle guidance of your superstar. In the third step, they require to adopt a buyer-oriented story, which is a little longer than the elevator pitch, but brief enough to keep the listener interested in the real value proposition. Now, the effort is focused on persuasion of the client for making the purchasing decision. Your superstar should be able to demonstrate the value of your product or service and provide market education in comparison with other options. This should result in the motivation of your clients to take actions. Dear viewers, remember that the persuasive communication is usually based on AIDA approach, which was coined by an American advertising pioneer, Elmer Lewis, in 1898. Please work on the AIDA philosophy with your superstars. In the 5th and last video lesson of this series, you will learn about the final steps of sales process, along with a brief review of the whole course content. Thank you and see you soon.